Happy risings, guys, and welcome to the Full Cooking Show. Didn't do a steak dinner, so it's a little clip, but yeah, but oh shit, like my haircut. I'm looking handsome. Mixed race problems, don't worry. But yeah, let's go do some cooking. Wash. Okay, let's have a look at our ingredients, and we can go from there. So, like I said, I got some thinly cut steaks. So the marinating in my jack sauce and some soy sauce. Get them nice and done up like that. Obviously I make my own jack sauce, but seeing that we're doing, I eat jack anything, but seeing that we're doing steaks, I added some white Zinfandel into it to give it a more rosy taste. And then as you can see, I put some fresh garlic in it, because obviously garlic and thyme goes lovely with steak. Doing some steamed veg. So I got some red Scotch bonnet and a pig and a half of garlic, red onions, white onions. Didn't feel like getting on the Tesco buy some more onions. Some white cabbage, some carrots. I didn't peel them. I just washed them thoroughly, as well as some yellow bell peppers and some red bell peppers. Look at that. Looks lovely so far, isn't it? And then I got my 2% cooking cream. It's gonna go for my sauce. And some white and red onions and mushrooms. And yeah, so that's the ingredients right there. Let's have a look from this side. Oh yeah. You didn't see that part. But yeah, that's the ingredients right there. Oh, and I'm doing my starch is baked potatoes, so I'm already got my baked potatoes doing in there. So let's go cook. Wash. Okay, my cooking utensils. This one's gonna be for my my sauce. That one's gonna be for my steamed veg, and that one's gonna be for the steak. So as you can see, they all have butter in them. So I don't want your health buff start talking about butter this and butter that. Just saute these onions down in a little butter. Quick stuff is coming quick now. Come on now, come on, it's coming quick. Look, got my kettle water and my butter in there. My paprika, my spices in there, and I'm putting that one. Steam veg. Put my spices in first. See it? And put some water with it. You know? Yeah, man. So you put that, added the onions, and then my 2% cooking cream. Like I said, I normally put white Zinfandel in it, but I put it in my cooking cream. You know? So, and that's that. To be continued. Look at that. Salted enough for you? Yes, that's lovely. Oh my days. Look at that. You have to cook with spices, you know. You can't cook bland. A lot of UK people are just starting to learn how to use salt and pepper in abundance, because most of you lot cook bland like fucking hell, mate. Like, no, seriously, you lot do. So we're gonna let that reduce down. Taste the flavor, might add some more coarse black pepper. Salt the steamed veg, then the steaks. And then we go cook, plate, and eat. To be continued. Wash. Let's go steam up some veg. Get that butter and water nice and piping up. While I do it, let me put my kettle back on. To be continued. Okay, I got my fresh onion in there. Then I'm put my Scotch bonnet and pepper in there, and then my carrots, because carrots can take the longest time to cook. So let's go do that. Garlic and Scotch bonnets in there. Give it a little stir. Yes, see that. Coming along. To be continued. Now let's complete the steamed veg. I put my cabbage in and some red and yellow peppers, and then I'm gonna put some more cabbage on the top and the rest of the peppers. in a little kettle water. Put my lichens to my spiciness back in, and then we go from there. Starting to simmer down. Look at that. Put in my spices. Let that steam down, and then we start up for our steaks. It's coming along. To be continued. Got that garlic butter up. Let's go. Put these on a low heat. And then we're getting from there. Wash. Look at that. Turn that down. I'll put some white Zinfandel in it afterwards. Show my dish. Come have a look at that, look. Steam veg done up proper, right? See, look, not that much water in the bottom, not nothing. You see what I'm saying? So that means it's not going to be too crunchy, and it's not going to be too soggy. See? Look, perfect. Niceness, look. Nothing there. You ready? Start plating soon. Gobble, gobble. 'Cause I am hungry. I'm starving. Oh my dear, it's coming all lovely. For that juices. Gotta get a little bit of fresh air while it's frying. Turn up the heat a bit. Now lick of my jack sauce, because I'm having jack steaks. Okay? And both sides. And then serve. Oh my dear. Let's have a look. Oh my dears. Look at these nice succulent thin cut jack steaks. Look at that nice proper little char grill. Hold on. Sauce is ready now. Steamed veg is done. Remember that 2% cooking cream, any white Zinfandel. Look at that. See, look at that. Soaked up nice, look. So I'll just mix it around a little bit. Look at them steamed veg, look. Oh my gosh. Got a little bit of mixed herbs. Have a little bit. Give a nice little rustic flavor, look. There we go, guys. Steak dinners. Oh my gosh. Baked potatoes. My steaks, my 2% cream sauce I made. Some spicy steamed veg because I made jack steak dinners.